Yeah, good afternoon everybody. We now tidy up here. All make weeding out of it, clean wool, all here. Making ground look nice. All here look nice here now. We now edge it properly, it'll look nice. All looking nice here. All here. Now taking all weeds out, all here, this border here. All here, weeds out. Looking nice. We now chop down the tree as well, make it look nice. All here. Hello Ali.
Hello Paul.
What are you doing?
Dirty one. Take off.
He's now taking all tree branches out.
Yeah.
Ow.
Yeah, I know.
All here, taking all this out here, looking nice.
That one I cut.
All thingy. All looking nice. He now cut that one off. But yeah, now cut this one off.
Fuck.
Looking nice. Ignore that wing ridge. You'll now finish this all here. All the way here. This tree not come out. All down here. All this weed all come out here. This one now come off as well here. All here. All this come out. Always come out here. You looking, you seeing nicely. All these come out. Bamboos, if you don't know what bamboos are, these are bamboos. These bamboos now come out the ground. Not looking nice. All bamboos. All bamboos. All bamboos come out. Making the garden look nice now. We now cut down trees here. Cut down, take away. Yeah. All looking nice here. Cut it down. We now chop them all down, take them all away. Looking nice. Them stay. All here now chopped down. As you see, top thing all chopped down, all China branch. This one here, this patch here, we all take out, weeding out here. Make it look nice. To make it look better. This bit here, we just take weeding out. Just to tidy it up a bit more than it is. Over there, look. All that needs to come out of there, I reckon. All that needs to come out, same. To make it look nice. And trees look nice. Nice day for gardening. That bamboo, this bamboo now coming out as well, I'm thinking. All down here, we tidy up as well to make it all look nice. To make it better. And here, maybe look nice as well, tidying up, looking nice. Yeah mate. Look nice. Hold on. That is the end of the film. Goodbye, have a lovely day. Hope you enjoy the sun while you can. And get out and enjoy it. Have a lovely day people, I'll see you later.